Did you know that a mosquito is more likely to bite you if you just ate a banana? Today I'll be telling you two truths and one lie. I'll be talking about my hobbies, I'll be talking about the time that I met the president of Kenya, and I'll be talking about my time in boarding school. So I really like to crochet. I was introduced to it when I was in 6th grade when I believe it was my science teacher taught us how to crochet. I continued doing it for a couple years, but then I dropped it off when I went to high school and all that. But I recently picked it up around 2 years ago, and since then I've made a few hats, I've made some scrunchies, I've made some bags, and I've made a scarf, which is actually my favorite project. I also went to boarding school when I was 9 years old. I was really excited to go because all my friends were going, so I really begged my parents to let me go. It was really fun in the first few weeks, but then I really missed my parents because I hadn't been away from my family for such a long period of time. They did come to visit once every 2 months, but it was still gut-wrenching every time that they had to leave. Lastly, I met the Kenyan president. I was part of my school's choir that had just won the national competition for the chance to sing the national anthem at the White House. So we won and we were allowed to go. We sang the national anthem for the Independence Day party, and then after we got to meet and talk with the president, and we get to take some pictures, which my parents still used to brag to our relatives about. I just told you guys two truths and one lie. Which one was a lie?